The chipless copper tube straightening and cutting machine is special designed for copper and aluminum tube, which is mainly for tube blanking before bending or welding. Compared to normal design with two half clamping die, we designed the clamping die for tube straightening and cutting machine in 3 parts, according to lathe chuck structure to minimize the tube distortion during cutting by the copper tube cutting machine, and the changing adjustment of the clamping die will be more easier.